Today, I will show you how to create multiple shadows for a text widget in Flutter. I used a stateful widget and created a double variable with initial value of 0. For the body, I used a column in a center widget. I added a text widget and then I set its color, font size, and font weight using a text style. I used the text style shadows to create two shadows. I used the double variable for the blur radius. I used a slider to update the double variable and change the blur radius of the shadows.